welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So, starting off where we left off yesterday, pulled the wire in between this box and the box in the hallway. Already had the MC down the wall, as you see here from yesterday. So, once we got the wire pulled in with me, Steven, and TJ is back after a month long of ankle injuries from raving too hard. So went ahead and fire caulked this. Found some fire caulk today, so got this fire caulked with actually they're called putty pads, but which is actually better. So basically it's just like a little fruit roll up looking thing. You take it up, roll it up into a little hot dog, and then twist it around in a circle shape around your hole, your wire, whatever you're penetrating through the wall. So I got that all done. Fire caulked this one, and then fire caulked the other wall here on the left side, which is this wall right here. So fire caulked this on the left and the right side going into that room that I was just in. Pulled the wire from the box that you just saw, right above that glass box in the hallway, and then shoved it back down through this down to the electrical box. Well, there's a 4x4 metal box next to the panel. So shove that wire down there, and then basically just have to do a shutdown, pull some number 10s out to that box, which is like 1 foot away from the box, and then that will all be good. We can turn that circuit on and get that quadplex all heated up. So that'll be good. And other exciting news, there was a bird that flew into the electrical room today. Pretty sure he didn't make it out at the end of the day, so he's going to be spending the night in the electric room tonight, so we'll see if he survived the night in the morning. In other news, went ahead and saw this. They put the bumper guards on and covered up the holes that I cut in the plastic wall covering, so that looks beautiful. And then from there, went ahead and worked on some fire alarm for a short amount of time. Was trying to figure out where I was going to be putting these 2 ceiling tiles for the strobe and the smoke detector, and went ahead and decided it was going to be these 2 over here. So I went ahead, cut those tiles, dropped in the boxes, dropped the wire in one of those, and then from there I went ahead and quickly switched over to do some operating room smoke detector change out. Changed out the smoke detectors as they dropped in the new ceiling tiles, and then they got this board up on the ceiling. They shored up the board on the ceiling for work in the operating room tomorrow, as we're going to be doing those cut-in boxes, climbing up in the ceiling, so we'll be doing that. So I'm really praying that it's not going to be a nightmare tomorrow like it has been the first 2, and we have some solutions now, so I think things should go very much faster, hopefully, and if they don't, we can get the problems fixed faster. Anyways, guys, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. As always, if you enjoyed, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. See you guys tomorrow. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Love you guys. Peace.